I want to upgrade my computer. I want to be able to render in 4K and show the best possible quality of videos on my YouTube channel just for you guys. Welcome guys, and thanks for watching again. I'm going to upgrade my computer, and with my computer I mean my existing computer. I have a Intel i5 processor which is already 3 to 4 years old at least, so I desperately need to upgrade that, otherwise I'm stuck with Full HD. So well, I could probably render in 4K, but it would take forever. So I want to do that, and I want to upgrade my CPU, my mainboard, and my RAM. Let's do that together. I want to show you what I've did with my computer. So I'll keep my power supply, I'll keep even my graphics card, and part of my RAM I will keep as well. I'll get there a little bit later, but I want to show you what it looks like. I felt like it was not that complicated, but what I did I'll show you next in this video. Let's just start with my computer and with the components I'm using. And by the way, all components are below in the description, obviously, so if you need anything, if you want to see what components they are, as always, guys, there's a link. Toby's house latte, I can highly recommend it if you want to mix your Toby's house latte and then keep watching. No one will ever blame you. That's a great idea, honestly. If you like those kind of videos, please like this video, and if you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. No pressure, but click the button. No pressure. I'm watching you. So anyways, guys, let's start. There we are. It looks like it already comes with thermal paste. Nice. Disconnect everything, and we'll make sure to connect everything later again, which means I want to keep the graphics card. And I still hope that everything will work. Keep the graphics card, we'll keep the memory for the first batch, and also we'll keep the power supply. So disconnect everything except the hard drives. Nice. I'll keep the processor and the cooler, which is a massive thing. I'll keep it in here because mainboard, including processor, will go out. So I hope I can access everything. This is the internal fan. We'll keep. And here is the CPU, power supply. What else do we have here? We have USB from the front. This one is, so we have two USB most likely here. Then we have a speaker, and then we have all the little tiny weeny, so I have no idea what they are. I'll unplug one at a time. They are labeled. What I'm now doing, I disconnected everything. I'll unscrew everything, and then we'll try to lift it out. Whoop. And it's already free. Nice. Of course, we'll redo the cable management anyways. It's We have to get this one out here as well. The interfaces for the mainboard. Here's one for the new one. I'll put it in first just to make sure later it just snap into place. We do have those thingies. I think we do not need them for the new fan, but those holders are for a different fan. Those ones. Or different cooler. First, make sure I can get it in place here. Guys, it looks already good. Now I'm putting in the screws, which you'll also need the manual to understand where to connect the housing components, like the USB connector from the housing. Alright, just connected here for the CPU power. I'll undo this guy because that's where the CPU will go. And now I'll grab the CPU. Look at that beauty. And there you can see it in the right corner, there's a golden triangle. So let's see, here's a little triangle on this side. So it's needs to be positioned like that. Make sure it's even in there. And it is. And flip down. Little hook, snap it in place. Our fan with 4 screws. We want to place it like this, but we have those different holders in here, which is from the back side. There's a little mounting plate because we want to take them completely out. We don't need them. One, and most likely we'll hear a drop in a second. So I have something holding from the other side, so I can easily mount. I have one try, so wish me luck. I do not want to mess it up. I can even screw them in because of the thermal paste. Hey, it sounds funny, right? Alrighty. Alright, let's connect this bad boy to the fan. It comes with 2 noses here, so I know the direction to put it in. Question I have is with my existing RAM, which is already DDR4 RAM, but it's only 2400 megahertz. There we go. C is chassis fan. Perfect. We'll use that one. It's nice and labeled, but it's just a 3-pin, and this one is a 4-pin, so there's also a nose. I'll use that nose. Line it up. Done. That's in it. Power. Do we need them? Yeah, we need them for the graphics card. This cable. USB 3, which is here. So with me finishing up here the installation and the cable management, as well as putting back in the graphics card, I decided to install Windows completely new, which means for me getting a new Windows license key which will be tied to the mainboard. So keep that please in mind, it's very important. You might not be able to reuse your current key. Let me also tell you, this is not a used graphics card, same like the memory. If you want to have more boost, more power, what am I doing? Upgrading graphics card as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Whatever you want to see next time or have questions about this computer and computer building or whatnot, I'm happy to answer as much as I can. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Tschüss!